My besties, I am back again. One thing about this hairstyle is that you can style it in so many ways. I so much love this hairstyle. To know how I achieved this look, please watch this video to the end. So it's your girl Tomilola again. To my besties who are always watching, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time of watching our video, yay, you are most welcome as well. But please, you have to subscribe to join our gang of besties. So in this video, we are going to be making crochet hairstyle using expression extension. Don't worry, everything I use in this video will be at the description box. So the first thing we're going to do is to section our hair into two. But please, the back hair should be more than the front hair. This is because we'll be styling the front hair with some hair wax. And then we're going to crochet our extension to the back hair after plaiting the hair to form a strong base for the crochet. Don't let me talk too much. This video is very self-explanatory. So let me leave you guys to enjoy the video. But I will be right back. So besties, to crochet the extension into your hair, you pass the crochet pin into your hair, you put the extension into the mouth of the pin and drag it into your hair. You put only one of the end of the extension into the loop and then you drag it out. And that is it. That's how you're going to do that. And we are good to go. But please, guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do now. And if you have any question or comment, please drop it at the comment section. I would be right there to answer. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, guys. I am super grateful to you guys. Please let me know if you're going to be making this hairstyle. I would really like to know if you guys will be making this hairstyle. Thank you so much, guys, for always being there. I love you all. Mwah.